Speaking of Japan, this is the banned, the forbidden haircut. Did you know there's a I didn't know there were rules around this. I know it's not the whole country, but a particular haircut in certain education boards has been banned. And I want you to scroll and just, this is the haircut, the 2-block haircut.
2-block.
It's when it's short.
2-block.
2-block. It's short, and on the sides and the back, and then there's a bunch on the top. It's long on the top.
I see.
I don't know. I looked at this and I thought, isn't that every haircut? What is it
nowadays?
I was like, what even is a haircut? I don't know. But yeah, apparently this haircut is it's very dangerous. But I didn't know that Japan can be pretty strict around certain things. For example, certain hair colors would be banned in school, and certain haircuts apparently, including this one. Which this is just a recent development, and it is in dispute. Some people are saying you're crazy. Some people are saying you can't ban this hair. This is a popular haircut. This is it's probably an effective haircut too, I would guess, because you don't have to maintain it as much as if the whole thing is short, like a real short cut. Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking. I don't know anything about haircuts. I shaved my head for the last 15 years.
Yeah, I mean,
I don't know anything about haircuts.
How
but
dare you?
The reason for the banning. This is the best part. Okay. The argument, here it is. There are cases when students have become involved in incidents or accidents as a result of their appearance and other factors. So it is decided from the perspective of protecting the students to ban the haircut.
What?
I guess some people, they're trying, I guess, to draw a correlation between misbehavior and this haircut. But I think that's a tough line to draw, obviously, and others that are disputing it are saying, show me the evidence.
Yeah.
Well, you get this haircut and all of a sudden you start
you become a gangster.
Misbehaving. I don't know. Yeah. It's all very weird. The board has not clarified what those incidents or accidents refer to and has not provided examples of haircuts getting students into trouble. The board oversees 196 schools across the city, with 83% having regulations on haircuts or colorings, with 15 explicitly banning the 2-block haircut. So, Will, you want to head to Japan? You better be careful with that haircut. People are gonna think you're trouble. You show up with that 2-block.
Yeah.